How to join friends game in Among Us. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Among Us application on your device and then tap on the friends option on the top right of your screen. Now, in the pop-up that appears, tap on the friends option you see there and then you will be led to your friends list. Here tap on the incoming requests option and you will be able to see all the requests that has been sent to you for the game. So simply tap on the option that you want to play with and further you will be able to join their game. And if you do not have the friend request yet, then what you can do is close this tab and then tap on the play option you see there. Now, select the online option and further tap on the enter code option you see there. Now, go ahead and enter the code and then enter the host's name, the capacity, the region, and the chat type, and finally tap on the join game option and you will be able to join your friend's game. So this is how you can join friends game in Among Us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.